Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Disney Plus not working on SkyQ, app network and account refresh. Fix 1. Power cycle your SkyQ box. First of all, you have to unplug the SkyQ box from the wall outlet. Wait exactly 30 seconds and plug it back in and wait for the box to restart. Fix 2. Clear and refresh the app. Press the home button on your remote. Scroll down to setting but do not press select. Type 001 on your remote keypad and press select. Move down to the apps and select refresh. Exit the menu and wait 5 minutes for the refresh to finish. Fix 3. Update the box software. Press the home and navigate to setting, then system info. Highlight the software version and select setup. Then click on the update button and wait for the download to finish. Then restart the box when promoted on the screen. Fix 4. Fix video freezing setting. Navigate to setting, then select setup, go to the audio visual, locate general reaction for TV apps. Switch the settings to on. Thanks for watching.